Alright, YouTube, here with another video. Car won't stay started, so what I decided to do is go grab some spark plugs, because these, I think I got a hole in one of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just change the spark plugs, since I never changed it before. Well, I changed the spark plugs the other day. Y'all, I gotta go back to that video, but now I'm finna change the spark plugs because it's still acting up and it's like it's running real rough. Don't want to stay started. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna change the spark plug wires. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'll let my son hold the camera while I do my thing.
All right, hey dude.
You say nothing. This is what I got. All right. Come around this way. Come around this way. So hold it. You know what? Just leave it right. Just leave it right there. Let it go. That's what I'm gonna do. Just leave it right there. All right. I'm gonna change this one first. I don't know which one this one is. So I'm gonna have to measure it. Pop that off. I guess this. Damn. Hold it up, bro. You bumped against it, man. Let it go. Just watch out. Just watch out. It'll stay right there. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna change this one first. It's always seemed to want to be loose. It's easy to pop off for some reason. Hey, this one right here. Look at that, y'all. Look at that.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why it's acting like that. Look at that. That's the whole culprit right there. This thing, wires need to be changed. Yeah, see that? Hold it up, son. Pick that up. Let's match this up with another wire. Give me that chair over there. Pass me that chair. Y'all see this? I gotta take this boot off. Okay, go ahead. Tell me. That's what we're gonna do. I gotta take this one off. Y'all see this, right? Dang. Wire was bad. You see that?
Yeah.
Alright. What we gotta do is match this up with another wire. Let's see. Let's see how long is that? That's too long. That seems about right though.
Yeah.
Let's see, make sure it ain't another one that size. Nope. Can you see it? Can you see me good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are good?
Back up. Back up. Alright. That's too long. Let's see. This one's about the same size. Okay, it's two of them the same size. Maybe it's three of them the same size. I don't know. That's two. So it's two. That's nine. It's two. Okay. All right. Come on over this way. I'm finna. Well, nah, stay right there. This one goes to the distributor cap. Distributor coil. All right, it's snapped in. Snapped in, you guys. Snap that one in. I guess that's one. All right. Point down here. I gotta put this one right up. They told me this thing, these won't burn. Hopefully they won't. Shoot. Snap that one on there. Snap. All right, we're gonna unsnap this one. I don't know what it is. Hopefully all of these is right, man. I don't think so. This one going way over there. How in the hell is this one right there? Oh, okay, let's see. This one is way over there.
This on the other side.
We'll see. Make sure this firing order is right. Okay, that's another long one. It's another long one, you guys. Over here. Let me see. All the way up there. I don't know if y'all can see that. That one right there. Hold that for me. Let me pop it out. Come on back over here. You got a good camera. Alright, we gotta match these up. Let's see. Let's see if this one matches. We got a match, you guys. They say I don't need the boots. We're gonna see, because if it burns, I'm taking it back. Alright, let's take it over here. We need more light. Pause. We need more light.